He's working at the cash register.
Because all of our damn Roombas. How much even is a fucking Roomba?
It's only a couple thousand.
Wait, do the water bottles go in the fridge?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So basically,
I think they need some entertainment while they work.
Take your stuff.
Do not buy a fucking TV, I swear to God.
Okay, fine. I'm not gonna get a TV.
Fuck.
Wait! How do you move them?
We're gonna get 50 of them.
How do you move them?
I don't know. And don't talk back. I'm the dog.
Let me change my FOV.
Yeah, you're security. What am I? Am I the Roomba buyer?
Get the Roomba.
No, you don't get to buy shit.
I'm buying Roombas.
Oh.
I hope you know that I'm gonna buy 1,000,000 Roombas.
We need Parmesan cheese.
$1,000?
Who the fuck did that?
What happened?
Why would you?
Shit.
We just lost $29,000.
All the room.
No.
See any Roombas?
Oh my God.
I don't think it was from the Roombas. I think.
Oh my God.
It's because of our complaints about Phil.
Yeah, people are complaining that we don't have enough Roombas. I heard.
No one complained about the filth.
Yeah.
I complain about the Roombas.
I
Yeah,
also
there's no
complain.
more.
We don't have enough. Other stores they have like all these Roombas and we don't have any.
It's 2,500. We don't have that much money.
We have money.
Yeah, but no, we need to save up for Roombas.
$500.
How do I scan?
Huh?
Can
How
we
do I-
address
how do I
the
go back
elephant
to
in the
shit?
room?
Go to delete.
I'm working on the cheese.
You can't delete them
Fuck, I gotta restart.
Why?
because they're already deleted.
I'm working on the cheese.
Where'd the
Don't
TV
sell.
go?
I didn't do
Who
that.
sold the TV?
Where's the? That's why we gained $300 some.
Who sold the TV?
I don't
Guys,
know.
sell other stuff so we can get the Roomba. Can I sell this guy? Can we kill him and sell him? Hey, sugar. Hey, come on, don't walk away. Don't walk away.
Ow!
Oh, my God.
I'm selling the
Oh my
check.
God.
No, I'm working here,
Oh
boy.
my God! Look at those things.
All right.
Look at those
Maybe
bonkers.
How about this? How about this, sugar? You go back to the. You go back to the cat room with the elephant. Don't walk away. Don't
She's
walk away
stealing.
from me.
I'm not about to get.
But
Are you sure it's supposed to be $5?
no, it's,
Yep.
it's supposed to be.
No, it's supposed to be 8.
It's supposed to be 183, but I put it as
What?
$5.
Bro, no one's
This
gonna
is too
buy this.
expensive. It's not too expensive. Don't call it
Let's take it from
expensive.
each other.
Get out of my store. Get out of my store. Get out. God.
Where is he?
Did it work?
Yeah. I'm out.
Yeah,
Yes. Sucker.
We are not. No. I swear to God, Caleb.
What?
Alright, I'm about to buy another checkout, bro. I ain't gonna
Caleb, please do not buy another Roomba.
I'm not gonna buy.
We
another
have
Roomba.
enough.
I'm not gonna buy another Roomba.
No.
I just like being in here. It brings me comfort. That's it. I'm just in here.
No Roomba. No Roomba.
You got a headset in it. Why did you figure out a headset in
You just
it?
walked in the way of my clicking. Stop.
No Roombas and you can get out.
Alright, I won't buy a Roomba. Who spent our money?
Me.
That was the
You bought
Roomba
a
money.
check.
To prevent stealing.
To prevent stealing.
I'm one away. You literally hit.
No more Roombas.
No more Roombas jumping on the
I'm
tree.
a Roomba. I'm a
Roomba hat. Roomba.
I'm unstoppable.
You have a Roomba
I'm
hat.
a baller to beat it.
I hate
I'm
that
in
song.
I'm unstoppable.
I would
I
like
like
to
that
buy this
I'm
broom. Caleb, I've got my finger on it. And it's at
I'm done.
1,000.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Better be.
I'm done. Yeah. Go get your.
We should get level 7 and we're good.
I don't know. It's sugar free.
You
No,
got
I think we
50
need
more.
level 8 because we need
1,500
2. Okay. Not enough funds. Why do we have $2 fucking? What the fuck?
I bought a Roomba.
Did you,
When I get out of prison, I bought something.
what was it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Post connection lost. He quit.